last thing I have. I don't know how I'm going to do this.
Well, I'm just glad that you're trying.
Are you glad I'm trying?
It's not about the outcome. It's about
because it's pretty awkward.
Now you know how I feel when I wake up in the morning.
Oh, you're in the way.
What do you want me to do?
Oh, I don't know.
How about I grab this end?
There we go. Doesn't fit, does it?
Doesn't even close.
Can't even see my face.
If you knock my thing off the thing again,
I'm not doing anything. That'll be your problem. Let's bring it down a little bit.
Did you watch that? Because I'm sure that we would have had transmission issues last week.
I didn't.
I'm sure that we would have had transmission issues.
Can you sort of see it there?
What is it?
There we go. This is a U-boat plastic model kit. And it's a 1/48 scale. So you know how big a 1/48 scale plane is? That we opened up a 1/48 scale plane before. Well, this is the same scale in a U-boat. World War II U-boat. You've never seen this before, have you?
Is that one model?
It's one model.
One boat.
And it's got full interior detail.
And this is the length of the hull I'm tipping.
Yeah. Let's crack it open.
Chauncey just saw you coming, didn't he?
No. I've always wanted to get another one of these. Set it over here.
What do you want me to do?
Yeah, I'm going to crack it. I'm going to pull a hull out of it.
What are you going to do? Use it as a cricket bat? Oh, you're an animal.
What do you think of that?
I don't know. I feel ridiculous.
Do you? All right, let's get
How
this.
much?
Now it's multi-piece, right?
How much Revell contactor are you going to need to put this together?
I reckon a bit.
How many tins of Humbrol do you think old mate's going to go through? Painting up.
And that's just part of it. Okay, so there's another bit, which is the end bit. You see, this part is clear, so you can actually see the interior after you built it.
Where? That is too. That's clear.
Yeah,
I doubted you.
It's all clear, okay? But the other side is grey. So you can leave one side painted and the other side clear. Or you can even paint parts of this so it looks like cutaway sections.
I could put mood lighting in there.
You could. I've seen ones which are lit. They look fantastic.
Fully lit.
Yeah. And it comes with all the crew. So you've got figurines as well. They roam around in there. And you've also got a section where they're loading the torpedoes. How massive is it? Why are you looking at it? You got all quiet.
I'm just thinking of the logistics about how it got in the door.
What do you mean?
Hey, the truck driver would have been pumped.
Oh, yeah.
You know there's 9 steps to get to the front door?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's just open one of these, right? Let's open this one.
I
got no idea what's in it. But this is just one of the boxes.
You get a lot of plastic for your money, don't you?
Oh, yeah, you do.
There's going to be a lot of sprue off of this, isn't there?
Yeah. Yeah, use that for sprue goo.
Probably enough to... You could do more than that. You could repress about 6 other models out of it, I think.
These are always really, really tight.
Well, because I don't want you in there, clearly. No?
Oh, it's coming. It's coming. You got to do it slowly.
It's either coming or it's tearing, one of the two.
Oh, is it? Doesn't sound like that. There we go. Oh, it's open. What have we got?
Exhausts.
There's all exhausts, don't they?
I'm only guessing.
You got bulkheads and stuff.
Let's go to Overhead Town and have a look in there. You can walk us through box C.
Well, I don't really know what's in there.
Well,
Can't recognise these bits.
Well, you haven't
bulkheads and stuff.
You haven't built a 48 scale
U-boat
before?
No, not recently.
I'd love to see.
Oh, look at this. There's a conning tower.
I'd love to see it coming out of your window, out of your little Polo, going into the Model Expo. No,
I'm going to be coming out each end.
I'm here. It has arrived.
Look at that. That's nice. I like it. I wouldn't mind one of these. It's just too huge. Too huge for me.
Your missus would kill you if you brought that home. No?
Well, yeah, there's a good chance of that.
There's no way.
That's part of the sport, isn't it? Not getting killed.
Imagine the mess you've made with your little Fiat. It's probably growing the whole dining table.
No, it's just on my bench.
Yeah, but your bench is like the size of the house.
Yeah. I do not recognise any of these bits.
Oh, I thought
except for the conning tower.
I thought you were a U-boat expert.
And there's parts of bulkheads. Is that what you call it? Ribbings?
I don't know, mate. I am not a
Look at the bits.
U-boat engineer.
That's a bit. There's some huge bits here which I don't recognise either.
It'd actually be really good for somebody older to do because the parts are so bloody huge, aren't they?
Yeah, but then you got all the tiny photo etch bits.
No.
Yeah, there's photo etch in here too. All the railings.
You can throw that in the bin. I'd say it didn't come with it. So sorry.
No photo etch in this one. I didn't get in.
That's right.
That's because I put it in the bin.
And
To save me time.
And the photo etch would probably be enough to wrap a couple of Easter eggs.
Oh, yeah, it would be. But I'm not going to open anymore, but you get the gist of it. And that is just massive, isn't it?
Yeah, lunacy.
So we had a gentleman that bought one of these some time ago. And he took it home on the tram. So can you imagine the people on the tram?
Well, he must have been unhinged to buy one. Look at wow.
Look at the manual.
Why does the manual have to be so big?
I don't know. Because it's got so many bits. Look at it. It's not just one manual. It's got multiples in there.
Mm.
There you go. All right, that's for all you suckers who want a really big project and have got plenty of time.
Plenty of space.
That's right. So I can get this back in there.
It's bloody comical on so many levels.
Did you like that?
Yeah.
I'm going to do an unboxing on this, I think.
Are you? You're going to need
Unboxings on these big ones take about an hour.
to do it in Burrong Ma.
Hey, Baroma.
You're going to have to do it with a drone, overhead drone. No?
Oh, yeah, I guess so. It's not going to fit on that overhead, is it? Is that impressive?
Well, I'm not in. I just want to meet the person that buys it. They're going to be a special kind of person.
Look at that. How many parts? Over 1,100.
They can't even be bothered counting them.
Length, just under 1.4 meters.
Don't tell the postman. That is not going in Australia Post, mate.
There you go.